Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Vulpix from Pokemon. So let's get started. To draw cute Vulpix, let's first start by drawing the eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a point, and I'm going to go up and basically kind of draw this teardrop shape. So we're going to go up nice and high, and then we're going to round it off right here and bring it right back in. Then I'm going to use this point and come right across. So let's say about right here. And then we're going to draw the same thing. So go up and nice and round and bring it right back in. There. So now that we have these two shapes in, we're going to come back up right about here and we're going to draw a big highlight. So nice big curve right here. And then at the bottom right here, I'm just going to draw a soft curve for some color. And then this part is going to be shaded in all black. So when you're coloring it, leave this part white and this part, I've seen different colors. There's gray, purple, so it's all up to you. I should have checked exactly what color Vulpix eyes are at the bottom, the highlight. But I will definitely check that when I color it, so I know what color to put here. And so same thing on this side. This part just gives it some color in the eyes, just like my Draw So Cute eyes. There. Okay, it looks really weird right now, but once you color in, it'll look great. I promise. So now from there, we're going to come to the center about right here, and we're going to draw the nose. So we're going to draw a soft curve, and then connect at the bottom of a wide V. And just shade it all in, maybe with a little highlight. There. Good. Well, you know what? Let's just shade it all in black. Okay, so now that we have that, let's go ahead. We're going to draw the face shape. So I'm going to come to the top of the eye, come out, see about right here, because I know it's very angled curve that I need to draw. So give it a little bit of space. So say about right here. And I'm going to aim towards the center. So I'm going to kind of imagine where I want to go. So I'm going to find my center, come down, and I'll just give myself a point right here. So I have these 3 points, and then basically I'm just going to go ahead and just draw this angle curve around the eye and then bring it down. So definitely turn your body or the paper if it helps you to draw this curve. There. So same thing on this side. Around the eye and then bring it to your point. There. Okay, so now that we have that, maybe it's a little too pointy, huh? I'm going to round it off a little bit then. Okay, there. So now that we have that, let's bring this up a tiny bit more, just above the eye, about there. And then we're going to draw the ears. So I'm going to come about here and we're going to go up nice and high and bring it down to about right here. And then let's come back in here and we're going to come down. And about right here, I'm just going to draw some tufts of fur to finish it off. Okay, so we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So we're going to go right about here, and I'm just going to drag this point across. So approximately here, just like half of the eye, and basically going to draw the same thing. So I'm going to go out. Drag this across, say about right here, and bring this down, just like the other side, back to my point. And then once again, we're going to go right about here, and then zigzag out. and connect. There. Okay, so then now in the center is where we're going to draw the hair part that falls over the head. So let's bring this down. So about right here, I'm going to go ahead and we're going to draw a curve. Go up, come down, and then maybe about right here, we're going to change it up a little bit. Draw another curve coming down, and we're going to go the opposite way. And then once again, maybe another curve, and bring it in. There, trying to make it a little bit fancier. And then we're just going to skip a little bit of space and then just draw a soft curve and then skip a little bit of space. And before I forget, I'm just going to come right here and draw a soft curve over each eye. Okay, so then from there we need to draw another layer on the top right here. So I'm going to come to the top and it's basically 3 curves. So we're going to go up, and curve right about here, and then the center we're going to curve another one, and then one more, and bring it down. And then right about here, we just go ahead and bring in a curve. There. Okay, so hopefully that makes it look really cute and pretty for Vulpix here. So now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw the body. So we're going to center the body. So let's say about right here and here. I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve on both sides. Then let's go ahead and bring this down. So about here, we're going to angle out and then come in. So same thing here, angle out and come in. And so then about right here, we're going to come in for the front legs on both sides. So let's work on this side first. I'm going to bring this down. So we're aiming towards the center, but we're not going to pass the center. So just keep that in mind. And here. About that long, and then we're going to go ahead and thicken up. So bring this down all the way. And so then here, let's go curve it out, and we're going to draw the feet. So we're going to curve it out and connect. And then right here, just add 2 curves. So same thing here, curve it out and connect, and 2 curves. And then whatever space you have left, you can just kind of connect it right about there. And then for the back, so let's say about right here, we're going to curve and bring it in. And let's go ahead and just connect it, and then right about here and pop out the foot, maybe 1 curve. So let's drag this across, and we're going to do the same thing. Just bring it down, and then right about here, pop out the foot and a curve. There. Okay, and then now before I forget, I'm just going to maybe even do this when we're coloring. You just want this part right here to be a different color. So just draw a little curve right here, and then this part is a lighter color for the chest and tummy area. I don't want to muddle all with a Sharpie with a black line. Okay, so then from there, let's draw the beautiful tail that Vulpix has. So we're going to draw 3 curves on both sides. I'm going to start about right here, and just going to curve down nice round curve and bring it in. There. Okay, and then one more. And we're just going to kind of go in. So one more curve right here, bring it in, and then one curve right here. So kind of like a peacock or turkey, but we just want to come in. And so then for some details, let's come about right here, and we're just going to draw a swirl. Bring this curve in a little bit more. Okay, and then so same thing here, just going to draw another swirl. There. Okay, so then on this side, we're going to try to do the same thing. So I'm just going to drag some points across, just to make it a little bit easier. So let's go about right here. I don't know how low to go. And we're going to drag this across. So about right here. And this. So I know how high approximately to go. And I'm just going to go ahead and round it off. There. So this is all because I'm drawing pretty big, so it makes it a little bit easier with these points. So about right here. Bring it in. And one more layer right there. There, okay. And so then finally, let's draw the details inside again. So we're just going to draw a curve. And then one more here. And that is pretty much it for my drawing of Vulpix. But before I go, I'm just going to add, let's add a heart right here to make this my Draw So Cute Vulpix from Pokemon. I really hope I helped you draw it fun and easy today, and if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.